and welcome. I'm Marianne, an independent stamp and demonstrator located in Arizona, and I'm showing you Flashcard 2.0 today. Hey everybody, it's Mary, and I'm so glad that you are here. I am going to guide you through this card that I'm making. Let's see how... Well, the only way I can explain it is that I like a certain amount of inspiration by other stampers. And this comes from Connie Stewart, and she does Simply Simple Stamping. She has a Tuesday tip, but one of the things that she does do is this flashcard. And this is Flashcard 2.0. So I'm going to list it in the links below so that you can find the channel I'm talking about. But that's where I got inspired to do this card. Now, whether or not someone else has made a card similar to this is quite possible. But I was playing around with the 2.0 cardstock bases. Let me show you. See? I have them all made here, and we're going to use these two. We're going to use a black background with a very vanilla. I think that's what it is, and I'm going to show you how I made this. All right, so let's get going here. Okay, so what I have is black background. Used a black cardstock. I'm really liking the black. I think because anticipating fall and Halloween. I just love it. Anyway, and I'm using the woven, I can't say that. Woven Threads cardstock, and I made a base of, I love this paper. Look at this. I just love both sides. I don't even know which one I want to use. Kind of concerned about this. Anyway. So this is basically 4 inches by 5 1/4. And it just makes a really nice base right there. Okay, so I have to decide which side I'm going to do. And I'm decided to use Freeze a Bird stamp set because I just love all the sentiments that are on here. Your friendship, the world needs more of you, thank you, hello, we're the best of friends. Well, I don't use that one that much. Thanks for being you. I think that's good. Today I use the world needs more of you. So here's what I've done. Oh, you know, I think I really like that one too. Oh my goodness. Tell me in the comments below which side would you use. This sort of reminds me of Arizona, and this is just a great design, and I love that color. All right, I'm gonna have to think about that. Let's go to this. I used, where's my little punch? I forgot to bring the punch out before we started. Here it is. This is one of the new punches that we got. It's the smaller version of the daisy punch. See? It's kind of cute. And what you have to do with this so that it works out well is you have to find the center. And sometimes it's going to work and sometimes it isn't. I just kind of go with the flow. I eyeball it. You can do whatever way you find that it works for you. And I just go to the side, one side. Just kind of make sure I don't have an edge in there. Try to get really coordinated here using, you know, actually, if it doesn't work, you can always measure. You know what I'm saying? But I like the challenge. And let's see if it worked out. Not too shabby. We're a little close on that side, but you know what? Life's a mess sometimes. And we're going to keep these guys. For the moment, what I would like to do is I'm going to take some of my Tombow glue, and I'm just going to go on the outer edging here. Woo! we go. And around. And I'm just gonna, you know, I like throwing some in there just because. Okay, so let's try to center this. And before I push it down, I'm just gonna move things around, because even though you have some wait time, let's see, I have to look through my camera. You have some wait time with this glue. I'm telling you, the glue is really strong, and it adheres. Look at this. See, I've lost my ability to move it now, because it's good stuff. I'm telling you. I didn't think it were possible, but it is. Well, it works for me. All right, now here's the thing you can do. You can use your bone folder. I'm just using my nail just to kind of curl the ends. You can also, which is something that's kind of neat, you can also just, you know, edge these guys with some color if you want to match your background, your main background. I think you can do that. I don't see any problem with it. I'm not going to do that today, but I'm just saying it would stand. All right, you know what? Just to show you the difference. Let me get an ink. I'll be right back. Tile. I'm gonna bring that one out, and I got a dauber. Whoop. I'm just gonna blob a little on the dauber and just hit the edges, and it's gonna make this stand out from the card really nice. And then we'll show you the difference with my other card and this one. It works out pretty nicely, I think. And what's nice is you don't really have to have any talent to use a dauber. Seriously. Okay. There we go. It's done. Put my dauber on the side. Close everything up. Now here is, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in there in the center. And then I offset it so I have the black in the back. Okay. Now, in addition, you can put some stones in here if you want. I'll get that in a second. Let's go here. I do not know. I think I'm going to have to go this way. Just getting everything out here. Boom, boom, boom. And centering this. Here we go. Now, we're going to attach our 2.0 cards, flashcards. Now, I watch a lot of YouTubers, and there are some of my favorite ones. I think you would enjoy knowing the ones that are really good. And I'm sure you already you're already subscribed to them. But it's kind of neat to see, can I do what they say I can do? Right? That's how I think of it. Okay, let's take, thanks for being you. The world needs more of you. That's the one I like. And we're gonna grab one of these. Okay, here we go. Straight down and straight up. Yes, look at that. Perfection. All right, and well, you have to put something in here because how are you going to write? Unless you're using a white pen, it's not going to work. So we need to put something in there. Let me get you some of the rhinestones and let's see how that looks. What do I have close by? Anything? Of course not. Oh, stretch. Yes. What do we have? Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. This is our, come on, open up, open up, open up. So, you know, using, I'm going to do the big ones. Come on. Using a color coordinating. This 2.0 stuff really does work very nicely if you think about it, because I can do just a plain card or and use whatever inks I want, or I can use a DSP and coordinate the bottom. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. Come on, that is so sweet. And look at the difference. See, it was just that little bit, that's Lacey. That little bit that was necessary to just make that pop. Goes right over. See, like that? Now that other card doesn't look like it's finished. There we are. It's so adorable. Now you just need to have a 4" by 5 1/4" inch piece of cardstock that you can write on the inside, and you're all good to go. I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for my next video. See you later. If you're new to my channel and like what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends so we can grow our community. As always, thank you for watching, subscribing, sharing, and until next time, remember, crafting makes you smarter.